Hi, this is Mutassim with you. In this video I'm going to show you how to download and upload this plugin to your Moodle. This plugin called Grade Reviews. This plugin helps in the moderation process, so the second marker or the moderator can leave a comment, and that comment just some people they can see it. Okay, so I downloaded from here. I'm gonna go to my local Moodle and then to site administration, turn to plugin, install plugins, and then upload the zip file here and then install plugin from the zip file. Okay, validation successful, continue. So everything's okay, continue. Plugin requiring attention, upgrade Moodle database now, continue. Okay, save changes if you want to change. Now I think we are okay. So let's go and try it.